Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest not opinion on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings here, and it's going to take you to this window here, and you just go down. Then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window. Then you just click here on Pinterest. Then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on full stop. Then you click here on OK, and you just go down. Then you click here on storage, and you come to storage window. Then you just click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.